What's up, everybody? Sensei Vegan here. Just a quick dinner video. I was hungry when I got in, so I'm just gonna make me some quick fried rice. I'm just making this recipe up in my head as I go along. So I thought that I would take you guys along for the ride. I'm not using the mic, so hopefully my voice carries through. First thing I did, I'm heating up this pan. I preheated the pan. I'm gonna drop a little bit of grapeseed oil in here. It's already heated up. Okay. Make sure the camera's going good here. All right, so get this going around in the pan. Pan is nice and hot. And I have ginger, mushrooms, red peppers, yellow peppers, and onion going in. Okay? So we're just trying to get this going. Keep it moving. Now it's up to you how long you want to cook this stuff. Turn up the flame a little bit. Smells really good. The onion, the ginger, the pepper, everything is, I mean, it smells. I wish you guys could smell it. Wow. Wow. All right. And I changed my angle up a little bit. I had people were asking me to, could you please focus the camera in on the pan? I'm like, all right, this isn't going to be, every video is not going to be like this, but I have a few so far, okay? So now what I'm going to start doing, I'm going to start adding some of the spices here. I have a little bit of onion salt, and I'm not measuring, I'm just tossing this stuff in here. I have some smoked paprika going in. A little bit of cayenne. Just a touch. Roasted garlic. Some salt. Careful with the salt, we already put onion salt in there. And you know what? I don't even want. Yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit of black, freshly ground cracked pepper in here as well. Okay. Now I'm gonna give this a stir. Veggies have cooked long enough. Now I have some day-old rice that I'm going to put in here. And day-old rice is the best rice to use. I don't think a lot of people know that. And then we just throw this around like so. And there's no right and wrong way how to do this. You make this rice any way that you want. It's easy, it's simple. That's what I love about recipes. I'm telling you, make it your own, okay? Finish this off with a little bit of soy sauce. It's that easy, it's that simple. It smells delicious. Let this go for about another minute or so. Turn this flame off. Put some of this in a bowl. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, man, if you're not making a mess, you're not cooking. Okay. Here it is, Sensei Vegan's fried rice. Quick, easy, simple dinner. There you go. And it didn't take long at all. So if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for joining me. Hello. Good night.